how to make and create graphic design book cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account, click here, search for book cover, click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here, scroll down until you find graphic design book cover. Click on see all and choose a template, for example this one. Now you can edit the text very easy and fast, and after you finish, as you can see, it's so easy to edit and looks so professional, as you can see. After you finish, click share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.